Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the IP address of an email sender in Outlook. This is a useful skill if you need to verify where an email actually came from or investigate suspicious messages. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails so you can access your inbox properly. Once everything has loaded, you're ready to begin tracking down that sender's IP address. Now, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is where you'll find the specific email you want to investigate. Once you've located the email you're interested in, double-click on it to open it in a separate window. This step is important because opening the email in its own window gives you access to additional options that aren't available in the preview pane. With the email now open in a separate window, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see a File tab there, so go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the Properties option. This is where Outlook stores the technical details about the email. After clicking Properties, a new Email Properties window will appear on your screen. This window contains all the metadata and technical information about the email, including routing details and authentication data. At the very bottom of this window, you'll see a section labeled Internet Headers. This is where all the behind-the-scenes information about the email's journey is stored. Now scroll down through the Internet Headers section until you find the line that starts with Authentication or Results. This field contains verification data about the email's origin. Right next to Authentication Results, you'll see the sender's actual IP address displayed. This IP address shows you the exact server or location from which the email was originally sent, which can be incredibly helpful for verifying the legitimacy of the message or tracing its origin. And that's it. You've successfully found the IP address of the email sender in Outlook, giving you valuable information about where the email really came from. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.